Today, we're taking a look at the Philips Hue Datura Smart Ceiling Panel, a premium lighting solution that promises vibrant color and intelligent control for your home. This rectangular LED panel combines modern aesthetics with advanced smart features, bringing a new dimension to your indoor lighting. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's explore the core capabilities of this smart lighting panel and how. The Philips Hue Datura offers sophisticated dual lighting, providing both main illumination and a subtle backlight, each capable of displaying. Integration is a major strength, with Bluetooth connectivity and full voice control support for Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Assistant. With both the main and backlight offering a full range of colors, this panel provides incredible versatility to create dynamic. The Datura boasts a frameless design and slim profile, sitting nearly flush with the ceiling, which creates a sleek. Overall, the Datura panel stands out with its impressive lighting features, deep, smart home integration. Now, let's look at the practical aspects of owning and installing this smart panel. While the installation process is described as easy, involving a base, hooks, and a click-in panel, it still requires wiring. It features an energy efficiency class of 72 lumens per watt, which represents a respectable level of performance for a smart LED panel offering full color capabilities. The high asking price of nearly $440 for one panel is a significant investment, but the Philips Hue ecosystem does. Unlocking the full potential of this light, including individual control of the main and backlight, depends entirely on integrating it. In summary, the Datura offers decent energy efficiency and a relatively straightforward installation, but the significant. The Philips Hue Datura Smart Ceiling Panel clearly targets users seeking a high-end, feature-rich, smart lighting experience. Its dual color zones, individual control, and seamless integration with major voice assistants are definite highlights.